Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am Mika Arjuan and I'm excited to present my final project for TOEIC training title TOEIC Training Program for Future Cabin Crew. In this presentation, I will explain the profile of my dream profession, the English skill required and a customer's 4-week TOEIC preparation plan. Based on that profession, I will also include sample exercise and practical tips for success. Let's begin with the profession I choose, cabin crew. Cabin crew member, also known as flight attendants, are essential workers in the aviation industry. They are responsible not only for serving food and drink, but more importantly, for ensuring safety and security throughout the flight. Cabin crew member must remain professional, calm, and polite under pressure, especially during emergency like turbulence or medical situation, because airlines operate internationally. English is the most critical language for communication between cabin crew and passenger, and also among international crew teams. Now, let's talk about why English is so important for cabin crew. First, English is the universal language of aviation. Pilots, flight attendants, and air traffic controllers around the world are trying to use English to avoid miscommunication. This helps ensure the safety of passengers, crew member, and flight operation. Second, English helps provide excellent customer service, especially when passengers come from many different countries. A flight attendant must be able to listen carefully, explain procedure clearly, and respond politely to questions or complaints. That's why having strong English skill is not just bonus, it's a requirement. So, what kind of English skill are needed? Listening is important to understand announcement, pilot instruction, and passenger requests, even in noisy environment. Speaking is necessary to give clear announcement and to respond politely in various service situations. Reading is used to understand safety manuals, flight schedule, and in a flight service documentation. Writing is required to fill out report, such as incident forms, passenger complaint, or service log. All for English are relevant, but depending on the situation, some are more urgent than others. In the TOEIC framework, we focus on 4 main areas: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. For a cabin crew member, the 2 most critical skills are listening and speaking. Why? Because most of the job involves listening to others and responding quickly, clearly, and politely. For example, when a passenger has an urgent request, or when the pilot gives a safety instruction, cabin crew must react immediately. If there's a misunderstanding, the consequence can be serious. Now, look at the slide that I made to solve the example problem. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt is signed turn off. We will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any remaining service item. Thank you for flying with us. Question number 1. What are passengers being asked to do? A. Unfasten their seatbelt. B. Prepare for landing. C. Stay seated until the sign is off. D. Move to another seat. The correct answer is C. Let's break down the sentence again. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. until the seatbelt sign is turned off. This means passengers are being told to stay in their seat, keep their seatbelt fastened, wait until the seatbelt sign is turned off. So, the correct action passengers are being asked to take is C. Stay seat until the sign is off. The next question is, all flight attendants assigned to flight AK 3007 must report to gate 21B no later than 7:30. Uniform check and pre-flight briefing will begin at 7:45 sharp. Late arrival may result in reassignment. Question number 2. What will happen at 7:45? A. The flight will depart. B. A passenger check-in will begin. C. The crew will start their break. D. The pre-flight briefing will start. The correct answer is D. Let's look at the key sentence in the text. Uniform check and pre-flight briefing will begin at 7:45 sharp. This clearly states what happens at 7:45. The pre-flight briefing and uniform check will begin at the time. Therefore, the correct and the most direct answer is D. Some of the speaking tasks include reading an in-flight announcement, responding to a nervous passenger, and describing a picture of the cabin. These activities train you to stay calm, friendly, and clear in communication, which are key qualities for cabin crew. I've made sample questions that you can work on to add to the practice question. In conclusion, English is one of the most important tools for cabin crew. By focusing on TOEIC-based training, we can better prepare for real communication on the job. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy my presentation.